The 10 best handheld oscilloscopes. Troubleshooting complicated electronics would be next to impossible without an oscilloscope, and the handheld models on our list allow you to take this important diagnostic tool wherever you need to go. We've included options for everyone from professional electricians and mechanics to amateurs tinkering around in the workshop, ranked here by their accuracy and special features. The list starts from Allsun EM125 single channel. If you're looking for something small enough to carry around in your pocket, the Allsun EM125 single channel, about $85, is a worthwhile consideration. You can count on its edge trigger to create a viable waveform and show it in a steady pattern. Weighs just over 12 ounces. Backlit LCD monitor, but no memory for storage. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Seeed Studio DSO Nano V3. The surprisingly effective Seeed Studio DSO Nano V3, around $87, is a tiny option that doesn't cut many corners when it comes to performance. Its display is bright and sharp, and it makes easy work of taking readings from small, uncomplicated electronics. Probes lack attenuation, ideal for digital logic applications, but requires a long setup process. You shouldn't miss this product's review. ScienceTech Unity UT81B. Functionally, there aren't a lot of problems with the ScienceTech Unity UT81B. APPX, $206. In fact, it boasts many of the same features as much pricier options. Its biggest drawback, though, is its display, which isn't particularly easy to read with great accuracy. Runs on 4Ah batteries. Kickstand frees up the hand, but proprietary adapter is annoying. Well, here is the 7th one. Saint Smart DS202 Note 2 Nano. If you find all the various controls on the front panel of a usual oscilloscope a bit intimidating, you may be more comfortable with the Saint Smart DS202 Note 2 Nano. Around $94. Its touchscreen interface dramatically simplifies its exterior, making it a bit more inviting to novices. Charge doesn't last very long. Durable aluminum alloy construction, but not the highest sample rate. You should look into this product, it was surely well marketed. Allsun 3-in-1 EM115A. While the Allsun 3-in-1 EM115A, about $214, is certainly precise, the manufacturer chose a design that significantly simplifies the control interface. The result is a model that looks a lot easier to use than it actually is, as many specific functions require some deep menu diving. Automatic and single trigger modes. 6,000 count multimeter chip, but PC program is a bit buggy. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Saint Smart Mini DSO203. With 8 MB of flash storage, the Saint Smart Mini DSO203 APPX, $174, will let you store a good amount of data from whatever you decide to measure. Its 4 input channels allow you to take readings from a handful of devices at the same time. Built-in signal generator, 1 megaohm analog impedance, but great for use with basic electronics. Customers are keying in according to them. One should buy this one. Fluke 125B Industrial Scope Meter. The Fluke 125B Industrial Scope Meter, APPX, $2,632, is a professional selection that can wirelessly connect with a computer to download and save any stored readings, but the dongle required to establish that connection is, unfortunately, sold separately. Battery lasts a long time. Screen is easy to read, but on the pricey side. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Siglent SHS806. The Siglent SHS806, around $465, features a large 5.7-inch TFT LCD screen that makes it incredibly easy to see the nuances of a given wave. as well as the text relaying both settings and measurement specifics. It comes with a pair of probes for its 2 channels, includes a USB cable and software, can store nearly a day of readings, but support for 12 languages. According to reviews, the second best product is O1 HDS 1021MN Series HDS. Workers in the field will appreciate the rugged orange casing on the O1 HDS 1021MN Series HDS. APPX $218. Not only is it designed to absorb shocks in the event that you drop it, but its ribbing improves your grip, so you probably won't let it slip in the first place. 20 MHz bandwidth, up to 500 megasamples per second, but runs up to 6 hours on one charge. Now here is our best of best, the king product. Handtech 60 MHz 5-in-1 portable. A useful pass-fail feature on the Handtech 60 MHz 5-in-1 portable. APPX $569. Makes it a smart choice for use on production lines, where a quick touch of the probe can tell you whether or not a given product meets the standards of excellence set by your company. Saves up to 1,000 waveforms, 5 assignable function buttons, but interfaces with Windows computers.